Despite being so close to our homes, what goes on in our backyards is often a mystery. Depending on the plants and flowers that you have growing, there could be a whole world of wildlife out there that you don't know about. Wonder, the company behind the Bird Buddy smart feeder, wants to change that. Its new Petal device might look like another security camera, but it packs a ton of intelligent tech inside. Here's how it works. You put the Petal anywhere in your yard that you think might see a lot of plants and insects. This can be in the soil, on a plant pot, or even attached to a tree, thanks to the bendable stem and a universal clip. The 12 megapixel 4K lens will then continuously film, using AI to recognize any plants and insects that cross its path. These are then displayed in the Companion app, where you can discover which species are lurking in your yard. Another feature of the app is an AI chatbot called Paul Sunshine, which summarizes helpful information and trends. It can also make suggestions on how to make your yard even more welcoming to wildlife. The camera provides a 24/7 live stream to the Companion app and offers an optional solar panel roof for continuous power. The idea is that you place lots of these around your garden to get a complete picture of what's going on. They're designed to work in tandem with Wonder Blocks, a series of modular structures designed to attract wildlife. Think bee hotels, butterfly feeders, seed trays, and much more. Wonder expects each Petal camera to cost under $100 when it becomes available on Kickstarter in the spring. However, any future launch appears to be limited to the US, at least for now. Are you planning to get your hands on one?